Hello everyone, this is Marina, and this tutorial is devoted to adding files to a topic in a teacher practice area. To do so, I have entered the teacher practice area by clicking here, my courses, teacher practice area, and to be able to edit the topic, I have turned editing on. You see it's now turned on. Well, I've chosen topic 21 because it's still free. And to add something here, I have to click on add an activity or resource. A list of activities appears, and it's quite long. You can see it here on the left. So there's quite a number of activities which you may add if you wish. But for the moment, I'm not going to add any activities. First of all, I have to label, to press here, label. So I'm gonna give a name, put a name here, so that to make sure all the activities belong to me, and I'm gonna label the text with my name and choose heading 1, save and return to course. Okay, so you see here it appears my name, Marina. Then I'm gonna add a folder by clicking again, add an activity or resource. To add a folder, I have to scroll all the way down and find a folder here. So I choose a folder and I press add. I give the name to the folder, which will be materials. Then I can add a description to this folder. I can display description on course page if I have any. Well, then I can display folder contents on a separate page or inline on a course page. Well, let them be on a separate page. Show subfolders expanded, yes, because I'm gonna add a subfolder. Show download folder button, okay, let it be here. And here you have some more options like restrict access or activity completion. You can add some tags if you wish. I'm not gonna do this. I just press save and return to course. Okay, so now you see the label is here, the folder is here. If you press edit, you have some options. You can hide the folder, delete it, or move it right so that it looks a little bit more well structured, so to say. And okay, now I want to enter the folder and edit it by adding a subfolder. Change it by adding a subfolder. So here, this button, yes, is to add a file, and this one is to create a folder. Well, let's create a folder, which will be called worksheets. Create a folder. Here it is. Okay. And I save changes and okay, now you see I've got folder materials, and inside it there is a subfolder worksheets. So now what I want to do, I want to add files to my subfolder. I click edit here. And choose add a file. Well, you can choose a number of files, you can choose from a number of resources. Well, I'm gonna upload the file from my computer, and this will be a worksheet. Let's say, where is my worksheet? Okay, here it is. This is the worksheet I've created for my recent class on Cinderella. well, this is not commercial, and I want to upload this file. And save changes. Now let's return back to topic 21 and see what happened. So what we have here, okay, what we have here a folder called materials. If we enter it, we have here a subfolder worksheets and the worksheet which I have uploaded from my computer. So that's basically it. And thank you very much, and see you on the next tutorial.